Vlogtober day 2. So thank you guys for returning back with your girls. So I know I look a tad bit rough, not too much, just a little bit, which is why I have this hat on. Let me be still and talk to you guys for a second. So tomorrow, your girl will be singing at her very first R&B event, and I'm super excited. I cannot wait. So today is going to be a little vloggy vlog, not too long, with me prepping for tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to combine these videos together. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to vlog a little bit with me showing me getting prepared for tomorrow. I'm not sure exactly what I want to wear. I have a few options on the floor beside me. I have these pink boots. These pink thigh-high boots, very cute. I'm not sure if I want to wear this with black leather shorts or a really short black dress. I know for a fact that I want to wear thigh-high boots. In my Shein haul, I told you guys that I ordered some clothes from Shein, and those clothes actually come tomorrow. So hopefully they come tomorrow before I leave town, because I ordered some thigh-high boots with that order, and I can possibly grab a couple pieces out of that box before I do the haul. Oops. we gotta make it work. We gotta make it work somehow, because I really don't have anything that I want to wear. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go. I'm packing my things now. I gotta get my makeup bag, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back home or not. I have to go to my boyfriend's house and braid his hair up so he can look like somebody's tomorrow. Yes, because we're not doing nappy braids. So makeup bag, outfit, and that might be it. I'm ready to go. This is the fit. The lighting is terrible, I know. I'm sorry about that, you guys. I need to definitely get a lamp like somewhere over here or something. So I'm gonna light like right there. But yeah, we're getting ready to go. Let's head out.
I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you always on my mind. Come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, you're nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to stop outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah.
So y'all, I ran to Walmart to get a few things. I am starving and I decided to go to Walmart and grab a couple of things to make some chicken and shrimp Alfredo really fast. So that is what we are going to do. I'm going to use this chicken. I'm going to make this as fast as I can because I really don't feel like cooking, so I'm going to try to make this quick. They didn't have the sauce that I usually use, but that's what seasoning is for. But this is what I will be using. This right here. I got 3 of them, so hopefully that's enough. Chopped spinach, of course. Yeah, chopped spinach. Can't go wrong with spinach. And everybody always buy up the good noodles, so I just had to get these. Y'all see? I really hate Alfredo with these kind of noodles, but I really didn't have a choice. Then I just got some raw shrimp. So let's get started. So with my makeup, y'all, I only got as far as doing my eyes because we had to hurry up and get on the road. We were 2 hours, almost 3 hours away. So this is us on the road on the way to Atlanta to the R&B night. Bay over there sleep, knocked out, mouth flipped over. And of course we had to stop at Starbucks to get me a hot tea just to prepare my vocals to make sure that I was good to go. So yeah. So y'all, this next clip after Starbucks is going to be me singing at the R&B night. I didn't record much there because one, I didn't want to get copyrighted, and you know they were playing other music. So yeah, these next 2 clips are just me singing. I hope you enjoy. What's up, guys? So about last night went really good. It went really well. I sung better than I expected to. I want to point out my flaws, but I feel like I shouldn't because I recognize them. I heard everything that needed to be worked on, and so I feel like as long as I know, that's all that matters.
After reevaluating the next day, guys, I decided that I will not be returning back to
I'm just proud that
what's it called, the Cigar Lounge or whatever it's called. It's great vibes, but to be honest with y'all, I'm gonna keep it 100. The smoke is burning the mess out of my eyeballs, okay? And number 2, I feel like for it to be an R&B night, the crowd was very rude, and I don't want to blame anybody else, but I feel like that low-key played a part in the way that I sung and the way that I performed, because I could not focus. Like, I had to literally like black out for me to focus because the crowd was rude. Like, I didn't like that.
Yeah, so yeah, I look rough. Like, the lashes that I wore, the glue that I used for my lashes, it irritated my eye really, really bad. So my eyelid is swollen, it's itching, and my eyes, like, I didn't have makeup wipes, so I washed my face with soap like 3 times, y'all. So
yeah, that's why I'm looking the way I look. And we spent the night here last night because Ken actually booked a ceramic coating, his very first ceramic coating job. So I'm here for that. I'm excited for him. It's more money for him, you know, a better opportunity for him to be successful, and so I'm happy for him, and so I'm helping him with that. And then I'm headed home, and that's it. So yeah, I might vlog a little bit of him doing this car or something. Well, us doing the car, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to. But that's pretty much it, guys. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage from the R&B night. It was really great.
Made a half a ticket off promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Round with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make little bro hit this nigga, it's like getting low. I spent time on the roots on the limo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers low. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the beers in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I got up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost in covers and infants.